How to fix Destiny 2 error code. This is the code as you can see on PlayStation 4. Now, first of all, close Destiny 2 completely. Now, press the PlayStation or PS button, highlight the game, press the option button, and select the close application. Now, restart your PlayStation 4 console. Turn off the PlayStation 4, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Now, you can update the game, go to Destiny 2, press options, and select check for update. Now you can update your PlayStation 4 system software too. Now go to settings, then system software update, and install any updates that you find available. Finally, if the error continue, rebuild the PlayStation 4 database, turn off the PlayStation 4, then hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Now connect your controller with the USB cable and select rebuild database from the menu. And this is how to fix Destiny 2 error code. As you can see, this is the code on PlayStation 4. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.